Let's unveil the Amira GT4. Well, your first impression, now the wraps are off, rapturous applause there. What's your take on the car, Matt?
Well, it's actually the first time I've seen this, so it's quite a nice surprise. I think for me it feels right. You know, Lotus should be racing, Lotus should be in motorsport, so this is the first step on the direction of getting us back to where we should be. The product I'm really happy with. I think we've talked about this a lot before, but at Lotus we only put stuff on a car that needs to be on there. So there's no bells and whistles. It's a pretty simple design, sleek design. It's quick. It performs. As I said earlier, we've been through the BOP as well, so it's going to be ready to go very soon as well. So yeah, Lotus has raced in every decade that it's been around, and I'm really pleased to say we'll be doing it in the 20s as well with this product. Who knows where it goes from here.
Can you give us a number, put a number on the percentage of what's in it from a road car?
There's about 40% of it is carryover from road car, and then we gently breathe on certain bits and pieces, brakes being a good example.
So tell us a little bit more about what's going on in this car, facts, figures. I want to hear a little bit more about that.
Okay, so at the moment we're about 400 horsepower. We have been BOP'd, so, but we haven't got our final figures, so we can have more power if we want, or we can have less. We're about 1,300 kilograms, so reasonably light, not as light as we'd like, but again, it's a BOP style championship, so we can add or subtract accordingly. We've got the 6-speed paddle shift gearbox from X-Track, so that's hidden in the back there, with a limited slip diff, so we've got adjustability in that. We've got tunability in the suspension, you know, cambers, toes, the normal stuff. We've got a great partner in Öhlins on the shock absorbers. So, you know, we've done quite a bit of work on ride and handling. And we sort of bring that all together with Gavin and his team to make sure we hit the targets that we set.
So when are these people going to be receiving the car? How soon will they be getting one to drive themselves?
Q4 this year. That's the plan.
He's not scared of the rain, is he? No.
ready.
Norwich.